In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a website using Perplexity for your NBA jersey shop. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, we need to navigate to Google. So, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Google homepage. This is our starting point to access Perplexity. Once you're on Google, you want to type Perplexity into the search bar. Go ahead and hit enter. This will bring up all the results related to Perplexity, which is going to be our primary tool for building our website today. Now, with your search results in front of you, click on the official Perplexity website. It's typically the first link that appears in your search results. By accessing the official site, we're ensuring that we're using the most authentic and up-to-date resources. Once you've landed on the Perplexity homepage, it's time to think about what you'd like your website to achieve. In this case, we're going to build an NBA jersey shop. So imagine the kind of features and design elements you want your website to have. This step is crucial as it will guide your choices within Perplexity. Next, we need to navigate to the Labs section on the Perplexity website. The Labs feature is where you'll find the necessary tools and options to begin crafting your website. Once you're in the Labs section, it's crucial that you start thinking about the prompt or idea to kickstart your website creation journey. Since you're creating an NBA jersey store, your prompt should be specific to the kind of content and structure you want for your shop. For example, you might focus on areas like showcasing product categories, providing product descriptions, and integrating a seamless checkout process. These specific considerations will tailor the website to meet the needs of your future customers. After formulating your prompt, the next step is to actually implement it. So, click on the option to submit your prompt. This action will set Perplexity in motion, processing your requirements, and setting the foundation for your website's design. Remember, while Perplexity is doing its work, make sure to double-check all the details in your prompt to ensure nothing essential gets missed. Finally, when the submission is processed, you'll have a foundational version of your NBA jersey website. From here, you can make necessary tweaks and adjustments based on your business needs. Explore design features and options that Perplexity offers to make your website truly stand out. And there you have it, a straightforward process to start building your NBA jersey shop website using Perplexity. Thank you for joining me today, and happy website building.